Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a term that holds significance in science, chemistry, and everyday language. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as amorphous, amorphous, fuss, amorphous. It refers to a substance or material that lacks a defined shape or structure, often used to describe solids that do not have a crystalline form, such as glass or certain polymers. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about amorphous, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.